Hello friends, my name is Mudassir Manzoor and I welcome you all in this new initiative of Target Computer Awareness that is going to help you in banking, SSC, GKSSB, UGC NET, police, railway and in other state level recruitment exams. And here you can see some special features of this series. It include chapter wise discussion in notes forum, chapter wise question bank with each chapter, chapter wise collection of previous year questions including with 5 practice sets. So this is going to be most important section for you people that will help you in bank PO clerk, SSC, JKSSB, UGC NET, police, railway and in other state level exams. And through this entire series we are going to cover almost all the syllabus. और मैं स्टूडेंट से रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ कि वो रिवाइज करें ईच चैप्टर ईच पार्ट एट लीस्ट ट्वाइस एंड दे कैन आल्सो प्रैक्टिस MCQs PYQs एज वेल बिफोर देयर एग्जामिनेशन. इसके अलावा मैं आपको ऑल्सो बता दूं, अगर आप चैनल पे नए हैं तो मेक श्योर आप चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें और आप मुझे फॉलो कर सकते हैं ऑन दी सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स एंड फॉर PDF यू कैन ज्वाइन द टेलीग्राम ग्रुप. अदरवाइज़ अगर आपको कोई क्वेरी डाउट या अगर आपको स्टडी मटेरियल ज़रूरत हो देन आप मुझे ऑल्सो मेल कर सकते हैं ऑन दिस ईमेल. जैसे कि आप जानते हैं हमने ऑलरेडी कंप्लीट किया है थ्योरी पार्ट ऑफ दिस चैप्टर इन विच वी हैड डिस्कस्ड सर्टेन टॉपिक्स दैट आर इम्पोर्टेंट फ्रॉम योर एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. अगर आपने अभी तक उन वीडियोस को नहीं देखा, वीडियोस आर अवेलेबल देयर, आप जाके उन वीडियोस को ऑल्सो देख सकते हैं. And with respect to that, we has come up with important MCQ PYQ sessions that are important from your exam point of view. And today, this will be our first such set. So let's start with the question number 1. The first question is, dash dash is the transmission of data between two or more computers, our communication links. Your options are 1 communication, 2 networking, 3 data communication, and 4 data networking. Here the correct answer is option 3 data communication. Let's see an explanation. Data communication जो है it simply means transmission of data between the two or more computers or devices by using communication links, and it also includes the methods, protocols and technologies that are involved in this exchange or transmission. Let's also talk about other options like option 1 communication जो है it is incorrect because जो communication term है it is a broader term used for the exchange of information which includes voice, text, images etc. but not just the data between the computers. Then option 2 networking जो है it is also incorrect because जो networking है it refers to infrastructure like hardware and software that are used for the data communication which creates or manages network. Then option 4 डेटा नेटवर्किंग जो है इट इज़ ऑल्सो इनकरेक्ट बिकॉज ये जो टर्म है दिस टर्म लुक्स समहाउ सिमिलर टू द डेटा कम्युनिकेशन बट इसको ऑफन यूज़ किया जाता है इन प्लेस ऑफ द डेटा कम्युनिकेशन. बट जो डेटा कम्युनिकेशन है इट इज़ मोर फंडामेंटल एंड एनकम्पोसिंग टर्म यूज्ड टू द यूज्ड फॉर द एक्ट ऑफ ट्रांसमिटिंग डेटा. ठीक है, हैंस जो हमारा ऑप्शन 3 है that is our correct answer. Now next question, the question is communication channel having dash dash types. Your options are 1 1 2 2 3 3 and 4 4. Here the correct answer is option 3 3. Explanation. जो communication channels हैं these are broadly categorized based on their direction of the signal flow, and based on this it has a 3 main types. These include first जो है that is simplex. In this type of channel जो communication होता है that is unidirectional, means here जो data है that flows only in one direction. और इसके जो examples हैं that are radio broadcasting, television broadcasting, keyboard to a computer etc. Second जो है second is half duplex. In this type of channel जो communication होता है that is bi-directional, but here only one device जो है that transmits information at a time. It is like one device जो है that sends और another device जो है that receives and vice versa. And इसके जो examples हैं that are walkie talkies, station band radios etc. Third जो है third is full duplex. In this type of channel जो communication होता है that is bi-directional, but here both जो devices है that transmits or that receives information at the same time. ठीक है, और इसके जो examples हैं that are telephone conversations, modern network connections like Ethernet etc. Hence जो हमारा ऑप्शन 3 है, that is our correct answer. Now let us see next question. The question is, in simplex channel flow of data is, as we had discussed it. I think this will be easy question for you. Your options are 1, always in one direction, 2, always in both direction, 3, in both direction but one at a time, and 4, all of the above. Here the correct answer is option 1, always in one direction. Explanation: as we had discussed in simplex communication channel, जो data है that flows only in one direction, that is from sender to receiver. And one direction जो है, it means there is no mechanism for the receiver to send data back to the sender over a same channel. Hence जो हमारा option 1 है, that is our correct answer. Now let's discuss next question. The question is, communication between a computer and a keyboard involves dash dash transmission. This question had been already asked in IBPS Clerk Mains 2017, and we had discussed about it earlier. This is also easy question for you. Your options are 1, automatic, 2, half duplex, 3, full duplex, 4, simplex, and 5, none of these. Here the correct answer is option 4, simplex. Explanation: in communication between computer and keyboard, जो data है that also flows only in one direction, that is from the keyboard up to the computer. And computer जो है that receives input from the keyboard, but it does not send data back to the keyboard in the same communication channel. ठीक है. Let's also see why other options are incorrect. Like option 1, automatic जो है, it is incorrect because ये जो process है, this process occurs without direct human intervention but not the direction of the data flow. Then option 2, half duplex जो है, it is also incorrect because it is by a directional communication process, but here only one device जो है that transmits data at a time, and this is not the case in keyboard and computer. Then option 3, full duplex जो है, it is also incorrect because this is also a bi-directional communication, and keyboard जो है that does not receives data from the computer in the same way that computer receives input from the keyboard. And option 5, none of these जो है, it is also incorrect because option 4 जो है that is our correct answer. Hence जो हमारा option 4 है that is correct answer. Now let us move to another question. The question is, mobile phone is an example of which type of communication channel? I think this will be easy question for you, and we had discussed it earlier. Your options are 1, simplex, 2, half duplex, 3, full duplex, and 4, none of these. Here the correct answer is option 3, full duplex. Let's see an explanation. As you know, in full duplex communication, both जो parties हैं that transmits or that receives data at the same moment. Like when we make a phone call, we speak and we listen at the same time, and which is also an example of two-way communication process, and this is also the key characteristic of full duplex channel. Hence जो हमारा option 3 है that is our correct answer. Now let's proceed to another question. The question is, which of the following is not a property of twisted pair cabling? Your options are 1, twisted pair cabling is relatively low speed transmission, 2, the virus can be shielded, 3, the virus can be unshielded, and 4, twisted pair cable carries signals as light waves. Here the correct answer is option 4, twisted pair cables carries signals as light waves. Explanation: option 4 जो है, it is incorrect because जो twisted pair cables हैं that transmits data by using electrical signals through copper waves, wires. Let's also talk about other options. Like option 1, twisted pair cabling is relatively low speed transmission, which is true with respect to older categories of twisted pair cabling, while जो new categories हैं that supports higher speeds but lower than fiber optic cables. Then option 2, the virus can be shielded. It's also a property of twisted pair cable because जो shielded pair cables है, they have a metallic shield that basically reduces the electromagnetic interference. And option 3, virus can be unshielded. It is also a property of twisted pair cables because जो unshielded twisted pair cables हैं, they do not have the shielding, due to which they are prone to electromagnetic interference. Therefore, option 4, twisted pair cabling carries signals as light waves. It is incorrect because it is the fiber optic cable that use light waves for data transmission. Hence जो हमारा option 4 है, that is our correct answer. Now let us proceed to next question. The question is, in twisted pair wires are twisted together, which are surrounded by an insulating material and an outer layer called. Your options are 1, frame, 2, cover, 3, disc, 4, block, and 5, jacket. Here the correct answer is option 5, jacket. Explanation. In twisted pair cables, जो copper wires होती हैं that are twisted together, which basically reduces the electromagnetic interference and crosstalk. And each wire जो होती है वो covered होती है with an insulating material that prevent short circuits. And entire bundle जो होती है twisted pair cable की वो covered होती है with an proactive layer which we call that jacket or sheath. And ये जो jacket है, this jacket basically provides physical protection to the inner wires from damage, moisture and from other environmental factors. Therefore ये जो outer layer है, this is called as jacket. ठीक है, hence जो हमारा option 5 है, that is our correct answer. Now next question, the question is, which of the following is the greatest advantage of coaxial cabling? Your options are 1, high security, 2, physical dimensions, 3, long distances, and 4, easily tapped. Here the correct answer is option 3, long distances. Let's see an explanation. जो coaxial cables हैं that transmits data over a long distances as compared to twisted pair cables, and it is because due to their shielded coverage जो कि प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं केबल को फ्रॉम सिग्नल लॉस एंड इंटरफेरेंस. ठीक है, लेट्स ऑल्सो टॉक अबाउट अदर ऑप्शंस लाइक ऑप्शन 1, हाई सिक्योरिटी जो है, इट इज इनकरेक्ट बिकॉज शील्डिंग जो होती है इन कोएक्सियल केबलिंग दैट आल्सो प्रोवाइड्स सम लेवल ऑफ प्रोटेक्शन अगेंस्ट द सिक्योरिटी रिस्क्स एज कंपेयर टू अनशील्डेड ट्विस्टेड पेयर, बट इट इज नॉट ए प्राइमरी और ग्रेटेस्ट सिक्योरिटी फीचर बिकॉज सच सिक्योरिटी मेजर्स जो हैं दैट आर यूजुअली इम्प्लीमेंटेड एट ए हायर लेवल. देन ऑप्शन 2, फिजिकल डायमेंशंस जो हैं, इट इज़ ऑल्सो इनकरेक्ट बिकॉज कोएक्सियल केबल्स जो होती हैं दैट आर वेरी बल्की और दैट आर लेस फ्लेक्सिबल देन ट्विस्टेड पेयर केबल्स. सो उनका जो फिजिकल डायमेंशंस होते हैं दैट आर नॉट ए बिग एडवांटेज. एंड ऑप्शन 4, इजीली टैपर्ड जो है, इट इज़ ऑल्सो इनकरेक्ट बिकॉज जो शील्डेड नेचर होता है कोएक्सियल केबल्स का दैट मेक्स देम लेस इजीली टैपर्ड कंपेयर टू अनशील्डेड केबल्स. बिकॉज जो कोएक्सियल केबल्स होती हैं दैट आर मेड विथ ए मेटालिक शील्डिंग लेयर, सो टू टैप ऑन दीज cables it requires physical cutting the shield which makes it unauthorized access and more noticeable. Therefore जो most significant advantage है coaxial cabling का, that is their ability to transmit signals over long distances with relatively low signal loss. Hence जो हमारा option 3 है, that is our correct answer. Now let us discuss next question. The question is, which of the following cables can transmit data at high speed? This question had been already asked in IBPS Clerk 2014. As just we had discussed about it, your options are 1, flat cable, 2, coaxial cable, 3, fiber optic cable, 4, twisted pair cable, and 5, UTP cable. Here the correct answer is option 3, fiber optic cable. Explanation. Optic fiber cables जो है they transmits data as pulses of light or light waves through a very thin glass or plastic, due to which उनके हमें higher bandwidth देखने को मिलती है and also they have the high data transmission speed. ठीक है, let's also talk about other options like option 1, flat cable जो है, is incorrect because ये जो केबल्स हैं इनको स्पेसिफिकली यूज़ किया जाता है फॉर शॉर्ट डिस्टेंस कनेक्शंस विद इन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइसेस and these cables are not basically designed for high speed data transmission. Then ऑप्शन 2 कोएक्सल केबल जो है इट्स ऑल्सो इनकरेक्ट because it also has a higher speed than traditional twisted pair cable, but it is still slower than fiber optic cable. And then option 4 twisted pair cable जो है is also incorrect because it also has a low bandwidth and distance as compared to fiber optic cable. Then option 5 UTP cable जो है is also incorrect because it also has a lower speed capabilities compared to फाइबर ऑप्टिक. देयरफॉर फाइबर ऑप्टिक केबल जो है इसको जाना जाता है फॉर इट इज हाई स्पीड डेटा ट्रांसमिशन. ठीक है, एंड जो हमारा ऑप्शन 3 है दैट इज अवर करेक्ट आंसर. नाउ लेट अस सी अनदर क्वेश्चन. द क्वेश्चन इज which Indian state decided to implement BharatNet services which will connect all the village panchayats through optical fiber? This question had been already asked in RRB and TBC 2016. Your options are A. Maharashtra, B. Punjab, C. Tamil Nadu, and D. Uttar Pradesh. You have to choose your correct option from the given codes below. Your options are 1. D, 2B, 3A, and 4C. Here the correct answer is option 4, C. Tamil Nadu. Explanation. Tamil Nadu state जो है it has been actively working to implement BharatNet project. एंड इसका जो पर्पस है दैट इज़ बेसिकली टू कनेक्ट ऑल द विलेज पंचायत्स विथ हाई स्पीड ब्रॉडबैंड थ्रू ऑप्टिकल फाइबर केबल्स. एंड ये जो इनिशिएटिव है दिस इनिशिएटिव इज़ बेसिकली ए पार्ट ऑफ डिजिटल इंडिया मिशन जिसको लॉन्च किया बाय द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया टू ब्रिज द डिजिटल गैप और डिवाइड इन रूरल एरियाज. है जो हमारा ऑप्शन 4 है दैट इज़ अवर करेक्ट आंसर. नाउ लेट अस डिस्कस नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द क्वेश्चन इज networking using fiber optic cable is done as. This question had been already asked in RBI grade B 2012. Your options are 1. It has high bandwidth. 2. It is thin and light. 3. It is not affected by electromagnetic interference power. And 4. All of the above. And 5. None of the above. Here the correct answer is option 4. All of the above. Explanation. ऑप्शन 1 इट हैज़ ए हायर बैंडविड्थ. इट इज़ करेक्ट बिकॉज जो फाइबर ऑप्टिक केबल्स हैं दे प्रोवाइड हायर बैंडविड्थ और स्पीड कंपेयर टू कॉपर केबल्स which ultimately allows them for faster data transmission rates. Then option 2 it is a thin and light. It is also incorrect because जो fiber optic cables हैं they are much thinner or lighter than copper cables with a comparable bandwidth capability which makes it easier to install and manage especially over long distances. And option 3 it is not affected by electromagnetic interference power surges. It is also correct because जो fiber optic cables हैं they transmit this data as light waves due to which they are less prone to electromagnetic interference and also radio frequencies and electrical noise or power surges which makes them more reliable and secure for data transmission. Therefore सभी ये जो options है these are proper और correct. Hence जो हमारा option 4 है that is our correct answer. Now next question. The question is which of the following is not a property of fiber optic cabling? This question had been already asked in IBPS Clerk Mains 2017. Your options are 1. Transmits at faster speed than copper cabling. 2. Easier to capture a signal from copper cabling. 3. Very resistant to interference. 4. Carries signals as light waves. And 5. Less attenuation. Here the correct answer is option 2. Easier to capture signal from copper cabling. Let's see an explanation. As you know जो fiber optic cables हैं they transmits data as pulses or waves of light जो कि हमें डिफ़िकल्ट देखने को मिलते हैं दैट वी कैन नॉट कट और डैमेज एज कम्पेयर टू कॉपर केबल्स विच ट्रांसमिट्स डेटा एज इलेक्ट्रिकल सिग्नल्स. एंड इन फाइबर ऑप्टिक केबलिंग जो टैपिंग है दैट इज़ ऑल्सो डिफ़िकल्ट विच रिक्वायर्स बेंडिंग स्प्लिसिंग और फिजिकली ब्रेकिंग द फाइबर which may cause signal loss or disruption and makes tempering easier to detect. While if we talk about other options like option 1 transmits at faster speed than copper cabling, it is a property of fiber optic cabling because it has a higher bandwidth and faster data transmission speed as compared to copper cables. Then option 3, very resistant to interference. It is also a property of fiber optic cabling because जो ये cables हैं they are not prone to electromagnetic interference and radio frequencies because they transmit data as light rather than electrical signals. And option 5, less attenuation. It's also the property of fiber optic cabling because these cables experience less signal loss over long distances compared to copper cables, which allows them for long transmission distances without the need for repeaters. Hence जो हमारा option 2 है, that is our correct answer. Now let's proceed to next question. The question is, a device that connects to a network without the use of cables is said to be. This question had been already asked in IBPS Clerk 2012 and RBI Grade B 2012. Your options are 1, distributed, 2, cabled, 3, centralized, 4, open source, and 5, wireless. Here the correct answer is option 5, wireless. Explanation. जो वायरलेस डिवाइसेस हैं that connects to a network by using radio waves, microwaves, infrared waves and other electromagnetic waves, which reduces the need for physical cables. Hence जो हमारा option 5 है, that is our correct answer. Now let's see another question. The question is, which of the following is the fastest communication channel? Your options are 1, radio wave, 2, microwave, 3, optical fiber, and 4, all are operating at nearly the same propagation speed. Here the correct answer is option 3, optical fiber. Explanation. As you know, जो optical fiber है, it transmits data as light waves or pulses through glass or plastic fibers. और ये जो light है, this travels in the vacuum at the speed of 3 into 10 power 8 meters per second. However, ये जो light है, this light travels slightly slower in optical fiber medium, but ये हमें still faster than देखने को मिलती है than speed of electrical signals in copper based cables that are used for radio waves and microwaves. While other options जो हैं that are incorrect because जो radio waves और जो microwaves है, these are basically the forms of electromagnetic radiation जो कि travel करती है at the speed of light in a vacuum, but in practical communication channels they travels through air or other media, due to which उनकी जो speed है that decreases और उनकी जो speed of data transfer है वो हमें also limited देखने को मिलती है by the electrons that also reduces due to the electrons and protocols that are used to transmit and receive the signals. Therefore सभी जो communication methods हैं they are dependent on the electromagnetic waves which travels at the speed of light in ideal conditions, पर जो optical fiber हैं it provides the highest practical transmission speed due to their ability to carry very high frequencies of light with less signal degradation over long distances. Hence जो हमारा option 3 है, that is our correct answer. Now let us see next question. The question is, bandwidth refers to. This question had been already asked in RBI Grade B 2013. I think this question is easy. Your options are 1, the cost of the cable required to implement a WAN, 2, the cost of a cable required to implement a LAN, 3, the amount of information a peer-to-peer network can store, 4, the amount of information a communication medium can transfer in a given amount of time, and 5, none of the above. Here the correct answer is option 4, the amount of information a communication medium can transfer in a given amount of time. Explanation. In the context of communication, जो bandwidth है, it is an ability of communication channel to carry data. And ये जो bandwidth है इसको typically measure किया जाता है in bits per second, BPS, kilobytes per second, that is KBS, and megabits per second, that is MBPS, and gigabits per second, that is GBPS. And higher bandwidth जो है, it means more data can be transmitted over the channel in a specific period. Let's also talk about other options like option 1, the cost of the cable required to implement a WAN. It is incorrect because It is about the financial expense of physical infrastructure rather than data transfer capacity. Then option 2, the cost of the cable required to implement a LAN. It is also incorrect because it also talks about the expenses rather than the data transfer capability. Then option 3, the amount of information a peer-to-peer network can store. It is also incorrect because it is about the storage capacity of a device within a network rather than transmission capacity of the communication links. एंड ऑप्शन 5, नन ऑफ द अबव जो है इट इज़ इनकरेक्ट बिकॉज जो ऑप्शन 4 है दैट एक्यूरेटली डिस्क्राइब्स द क्वेश्चन, है ना। जो हमारा ऑप्शन 4 है दैट इज और करेक्ट आंसर। नाउ लेट अस प्रोसीड टू अनदर क्वेश्चन। द क्वेश्चन इज which of the following represents the fastest data transmission speed? This question had been already asked in SBI Clerk 2012. Your options are 1 bandwidth, 2 BPS, 3 GBPS, 4 KBPS and 5 Mbps. Here the correct answer is option 3 GBPS. Explanation: GBPS जो है it refers to gigabits per second, Mbps जो है it refers to megabits per second, KBPS जो है it stands for kilobits per second and BPS जो है it stands for bits per second. And bandwidth जो है it is basically the capacity of a communication channel to carry data. And इसको usually measure किया जाता है that we had discussed in bits per second, which is not basically a unit of speed, but rather it is a measure of potential speed. And here are some international system of units prefixes which basically indicates the power of 10, like GB जो है it equals to power of 10 power 9, MB जो है it equals to 10 power 6, KB जो है it equals to 10 power 3. Therefore 1 GBPS जो है that is approximately 1 billion bits per second, and it represents much faster data transmission speed than 1 Mbps, kbps or individual bits per second. As I told you, जो बैंड विड्थ है इट्स नॉट ए यूनिट ऑफ मेजरमेंट बट द कंसेप्ट, वाइल जो जीपीएस है जीबीपीएस है इट इज़ a यूनिट ऑफ मेजरमेंट विच इंडिकेट्स ए हाई स्पीड डेटा ट्रांसफर रेट। है जो हमारा ऑप्शन 3 है दैट इज योर करेक्ट आंसर। नाउ लेट अस डिस्कस नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। द क्वेश्चन इज एट डैश डैश is composed of several computers connected together to share resources and data. This question had been already asked in RBI Grade B 2014. Your options are 1 internet, 2 network, 3 backbone, 4 hyperlink and 5 protocol. Here the correct answer is option 2 network. Explanation: जो network है it is basically a group of 2 or more computer systems that are linked or connected together. और जो प्राइमरी पर्पस है कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क का दैट इज़ टू अलो यूजर्स टू शेयर रिसोर्सेज लाइक प्रिंटर्स, स्कैनर्स, फाइल्स एंड डेटा। लेट्स ऑल्सो टॉक अबाउट अदर ऑप्शंस लाइक ऑप्शन 1 इंटरनेट जो है इट इज़ इनकरेक्ट बिकॉज जो इंटरनेट है इट इज़ ए ग्लोबल नेटवर्क ऑफ कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क जो कि हमें मच मोर लार्जर देखने को मिलती है एंड इज़ ऑल्सो ए कम्प्लेक्स एंटिटी दैन अ बेसिक नेटवर्क विच कनेक्ट सेवरल कंप्यूटर्स। देन ऑप्शन 3 बैकबोन जो है इट्स ऑल्सो इनकरेक्ट बिकॉज बैकबोन जो है इट इज़ पार्ट ऑफ नेटवर्क इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर जो कि प्रोवाइड करते हैं प्राइमरी रूट फॉर ट्रैफिक पासिंग बिटवीन द डिफरेंट नेटवर्क्स और सब नेटवर्क्स विच इज़ बेसिकली a component within the network rather than network itself. Then option 4 hyperlink जो है it is also incorrect because जो hyperlink है it is an element in electronic document जो लिंक करता है documents और resources को together. And it is also a navigable tool rather than a collection of connected computers. And option 5 protocol जो है is also incorrect because you know जो protocols हैं these are the set of rules or standards जो कि govern करते हैं format and transmission of the data in a network जो कि हमें essential देखने को मिलते हैं for network communication but it is not a network itself. Hence जो हमारा option 2 है that is our correct answer. Now let's move to next question. The question is, what do we call for the arrangement when 2 or more computers physically connected by cables to share information or hardware? This question had been already asked in SBI Clerk 2015 and we had discussed about it earlier. I think this will be easy one. Your options are 1 URL, 2 network, 3 server, 4 internet and 5 modem. Here the correct answer is option 2 नेटवर्क। लेट्स सी एन एक्सप्लेनेशन। जब 2 और मोर कंप्यूटर जो है उनको फिजिकली कनेक्ट किया जाता है बाय थ्रू केबल्स टू शेयर इंफॉर्मेशन ऑन हार्डवेयर, ये जो अरेंजमेंट है, दिस अरेंजमेंट इज कॉल्ड एज नेटवर्क, ठीक है। लेट्स ऑल्सो टॉक अबाउट अदर ऑप्शंस लाइक ऑप्शन 1 यू और एल जो है दैट इज यूनिफॉर्म रिसोर्स लोकेटर, इट इज इनकरेक्ट बिकॉज it is basically an address of a resource on the internet. Then option 3 server जो है it is also incorrect because you know जो server होता है it is a computer और program जो कि provide करता है services to other computers or clients in a network and it is a component of network rather than the arrangement. Then option 4 internet जो है it is also incorrect because you know जो internet है it is a global network of computer नेटवर्क्स जो कि हमें मच लार्जर देन देखने को मिलते हैं सिंपल अरेंजमेंट ऑफ 2 और मोर कंप्यूटर्स कनेक्टेड बाय केबल्स. एंड ऑप्शन 5 मोडेम दैट इज मॉड्यूलेटेड डिमॉड्यूलेटर, इट इज आल्सो इनकरेक्ट बिकॉज दिस इज बेसिकली अ डिवाइस जो कि अलो करता है कंप्यूटर्स को टू कम्युनिकेट ओवर टेलीफोन लाइन्स और अदर टाइप्स ऑफ कनेक्शंस and it is a piece of hardware used in some types of networks but it does not define the network arrangement itself. Hence जो हमारा ऑप्शन 2 है that is our correct answer. Now next question, the question is a combination of hardware and software that allows communication and electronic transfer of information between computers is a. This question had been already asked in SBI Clerk 2012. Your options are 1 network, 2 backup system, 3 server, 4 peripheral and 5 modem. Here the correct answer is option 1 network. Let's see an explanation. As we had discussed, जो network है it is a combination of hardware like cables, routers, switches, computers and software like operating system, network protocols, etc. जो कि promote करते हैं communication and electronic transfer of information between the computers. Let's also talk about other options like option 2 backup system जो है it is incorrect because ये जो system है इसको specifically use किया जाता है for creating copies of data for recovery purposes. Then option 3 server जो है it is also incorrect because जो server है it is a computer और software जो कि provide करता है services to other computers or clients in a network and it is also a component of network. Then option 4 peripheral जो है it is also incorrect because जो peripheral है it is also a device जो कि connect करता है computers को to enhance their functionality like printers, scanners और keyboards. And option 5 modem जो है modulated demodulator it is also incorrect because it is a device जो कि allow करता है computers को to communicate over telephone lines and other types of connections and it is also a piece of hardware and part of network. Hence जो हमारा option 1 है that is our correct answer. Now next question, the question is which of the following terms is associated with networks? This question had been already asked in SBI Clerk 2014. Your options are 1 MS Excel, 2 mouse, 3 Word, 4 connectivity and 5 plotter. Here the correct answer is option 4 connectivity. Explanation. जो connectivity है it is an ability of devices to connect to a network and to communicate with each other and it is also a fundamental concept in networking. Let's also see why other options are incorrect like option 1 MS Excel जो है it's incorrect because you know जो MS Excel है it is a spreadsheet software application. Then option 2 mouse जो है it is also incorrect because जो mouse है it is an input device. Then option 3 word जो है it is also incorrect because it is a word processing software or application. And option 5 plotter जो है it is also incorrect because जो plotter है it is a type of printer used for producing 3D graphics. Therefore जो connectivity है it is the term which is fundamentally associated with the concept of networks. Then option 4 जो है that becomes our correct answer. Now let us discuss next question. The question is what type of resource is most likely to be shared common resource in a computer network? This question had been already asked in Allahabad Bank Clerk 2010. Your options are 1 printers, 2 speakers, 3 floppy disk drivers, 4 keyboards and 5 none of the above. Here the correct answer is option 1 printers. Explanation. In the network environment जो printer है it is the common resource for computers to share a single or few printers. Means जो printer है इसको 2 or more computers use कर सकते हैं at the same time to save the costs and to improve the efficiency. Let's also talk about other options like option 2 speaker जो है it is incorrect because it can be possible to have network connected speakers, but जो speakers हैं they are not typically shared common resource that two or more computers cannot share together because each workstation जो होता है that has its own network. Then option 3 floppy disk drives जो है it is also incorrect है because जो floppy disk drives हैं they are obsolete, means they are used for an individual, they are used as an individual or single resource for each computer rather than shared network. Then option 4 keyboard जो है it is also incorrect because you know जो keyboard है it is an input device जिसको यूज़ किया जाता है for each individual computer which is not also a shared resource or which is not shared among the multiple users at the same moment. Then option 5 जो है it is also incorrect because option 1 जो है that accurately describes the question, hence जो हमारा option 1 है that is our correct answer. Now let's move to next question. The question is the first network that has planted the seeds of internet was, your options are 1 ARPANET, 2 NSFNet, 3 VNet and 4 INET. Here the correct answer is option 1 ARPANET. Explanation: ARPANET जो है it became the first network which laid the foundation for modern internet, and ARPANET जो है it stands for Advanced Research Project Agency Network, and which is basically a packet switching network जिसको डेवलप किया by US Department of Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency ARPA in the late 1960s, and it became the technological foundation and precursor to modern internet. Hence जो हमारा option 1 है that is our correct answer. Now next question, the question is pathways that supports communication among various electronic components on the system board are called. This question had been already asked in SBI PO 2014. Your options are 1 network liners, 2 processors, 3 logic paths, 4 bus liners and 5 gateway. Here the correct answer is option 4 bus liners. Explanation: bus liners or buses जो है these are basically the set of electrical conductors on a computer system board or motherboard जो कि ट्रांसमिट करते हैं डेटा, एड्रेसेस और कंट्रोल सिग्नल्स को बिटवीन द वेरियस इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कंपोनेंट्स सच एज सीपीयू, मेमोरी और पेरिफेरल कंट्रोल्स. और ये जो बस लाइन्स हैं दीज एक्ट्स एज अ कम्युनिकेशन पाथवेज विद इन ए कंप्यूटर्स इंटरनल हार्डवेयर. लेट्स आल्सो टॉक अबाउट अदर ऑप्शंस लाइक ऑप्शन 1 नेटवर्क लाइन्स जो है इट इज इनकरेक्ट बिकॉज दीज आर बेसिकली द कम्युनिकेशन पाथवेज that are used to connect different computers on a network, but they are not the computers within a components within a single system board. Then option 2 processors जो है is also incorrect because जो processor और जो CPU होता है that is also one of the major component that communicates through bus lines, but it is not a pathway itself. Then option 3 logic path जो है is also incorrect because ये जो term है this term is related to the flow of logical signals within integrated circuit, but they are not the physical pathways on system board. Then option 5 gateway जो है is also incorrect because जो gateway है it is a network device जो कि connect करते हैं two or more networks को by using different protocols, and इसको especially use किया जाता है for external communication between the networks but not an internal communication within a system board. Hence जो हमारा option 4 है that is our correct answer. Now let us discuss next question. The question is what do we call a network whose elements may be separated by some distance? It usually involves 2 or more network and dedicated high-speed telephone lines. This question had been already asked in SBI Clerk 2015, and this is also an easy question we had discussed about it many times. Your options are 1 LAN, 2 WAN, 3 URL, 4 server and 5 World Wide Web. Here the correct answer is option 2 WAN. Explanation: WAN जो है stands for Wide Area Network and it is a network जो कि कवर करते हैं लार्जर जियोग्राफिकल एरिया को बाय कनेक्टिंग इंडिविजुअल लोकल एरिया नेटवर्क्स लैंड्स, एंड इसकी हमें ऑल्सो हाई स्पीड देखने को मिलती है एंड इट यूज हाई स्पीड टेलीफोन लाइन्स fiber optic cables or satellite links to connect these individual local area networks LANs. Let's also see other options like option 1 LAN जो है it is incorrect because जो LAN है it stands for local area network जो कि connect करते हैं computers को within a limited geographical area such as in office, home or school. Then option 3 URL uniform resource locator जो है it's also incorrect because this is basically the address of a resource on the internet. Then option 4 server जो है it is also incorrect because it is a computer program जो कि provide करता है services to other computers or clients in a network and it is a component of network rather than the type of network. And option 5 World Wide Web जो है is also incorrect because it is a system of interconnected hypertext documents that we can access through internet and it is an application or software that runs on the internet rather than network infrastructure itself. Hence जो हमारा option 2 है that is our correct answer. Now let us discuss last question of this session. The question is LAN can use dash dash architecture. Your options are 1 peer to peer, 2 client server, 3 both 1 and 2 and 4 neither 1 nor 2. Here the correct answer is option 3 both 1 and 2. Let's see an explanation. LAN that is local area network it uses both peer to peer and client server architectures. Like in peer to peer architecture सभी जो computers जो होते हैं they have the equal or same capabilities जो कि एक्ट करते हैं एज बोथ क्लाइंट्स एंड सर्वर्स जो कि शेयर करते हैं रिसोर्सेज को डायरेक्टली विथ ईच अदर एंड इसको ऑफन यूज़ किया जाता है इन सम अदर लैंड्स एंड इन क्लाइंट सर्वर आर्किटेक्चर वन और जो मोर डेडिकेटेड सर्वर्स जो है दे प्रोवाइड रिसोर्सेज एंड सर्विसेज टू अदर कंप्यूटर्स और क्लाइंट्स एंड ये जो मॉडल है दिस इज़ कॉमन इन लार्जर लेन्स जहाँ सेंट्रलाइज्ड मैनेजमेंट और सिक्योरिटी जो है दैट इज़ इम्पोर्टेंट. देयरफॉर जो LAN है इसको यूज़ या इम्प्लीमेंट किया जा सकता है बाय यूजिंग आइदर peer to peer और client server architecture or even a hybrid architecture that is the combination of peer to peer and client server architecture. Hence जो हमारा option 3 है that is our correct answer. So guys that's it for today. I hope आपको अच्छे से क्लियर हुआ होगा. अगर कोई भी डाउट कन्फ्यूजन हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर लिखें या आप मुझे मेल कर सकते हैं ऑन दिस ईमेल एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो फॉलो मी ऑन दी सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स एंड फॉर PDF you can join the Telegram group. So that's it for today. I hope you find this video informative. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe to Discipline Talk channel. Thank you for watching.